How to find your wish list on AliExpress app. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To find your wish list on your AliExpress application, firstly install the application in your device if you have not installed it yet. Tap open your AliExpress application and make sure that you have logged into your AliExpress account. If not, go ahead and sign in to your account firstly. Over here, to find your wish list on AliExpress, firstly you can just tap on any of the item that you wish to purchase. At the bottom next to Add to Cart, you will see a heart icon. Click on it. After which it will notify you that it has been added to wish list. You can just tap on View All to check out your wish list of AliExpress. If not, you can head back from here. Then tap on the account option. Here you will see a heart icon, that is your wish list. Tap on it. After which you will be redirected to your wish list of AliExpress. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.